After losing the game, he threw the ball and started crying. He was very blank. Childish, childlike, children, childly. So naghanap tayo ng word to describe yung he natin na ganito yung ginawa nung natalo. So obviously naghanap tayo ng adjective, a describing word. Tanggal na agad letter C kasi children is a noun. Plural form yan ng word na child. Yung mga natira, puro na sila adjectives pero magkakatalo sila sa kung ano ba yung implication or yung meaning. Itong childlike at yung childly, halos parehas lang yung dalawa na yan. Positive yan, ibig sabihin pure o kaya innocent. Pero medyo negative kasi yung hinahanap natin describing word dahil nga may konteksto tayo na ganito yung ginawa niya. So, hindi masyadong maganda. So, tatanggalin din natin sila. Now, eto na lang tandaan nyo, kapag childish, negative yung implication, ibig sabihin parang immature or silly. Ganun. So, dahil nga sa ginawa niyang ganito, he was very childish.